Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to show you guys what I got for my new and upcoming inventory. I'm doing an inventory haul. This is for things that I will be bringing to my brand and making it better than ever. So if you guys want to see that, then please keep on watching. Before that, I want to tell you guys what I used on my face. So for my base, I used the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 420. Then I used my Matte Studio Fix powder in NC46, I think. Afterwards, I used the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette in the shade Dulce de Leche. Afterwards, I used the Natasha Denona Glow Bloom palette. I think that's what it's called. It's this one right here. It's Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. I used the most red shade in the palette. Afterwards, I used the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. For my brows, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Dark Brown, and on top of that I used the ABH Clear Brow Gel. For mascara, because I didn't feel like using false lashes, I used the Urban Decay Volumizing Lash Primer and the Lancome Hypnose Doll Lashes. And for my lips, I used the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap. So now that we got that out of the way, we can proceed with this video. I have filmed this video 4 times already, but my phone keeps playing with me, so we will continue until we get it right, because we're not giving up. We will not give up. We will never give up. Anyways, so for the first thing that I got, it's not really anything for my inventory, but it's something by the brand 4Ocean. If you guys don't know what 4Ocean is, it's basically a organization. For each bracelet that they sell, they pull 1 pound of trash out of the ocean. So mine came in this cute little bag. It is handmade on the tropical island of Bali, and inside of my little drawstring bag came my bracelet. So for every bracelet there's a different color, and every color stands for a different sea animal, and mine was orcas or killer whales. And 4Ocean actually partnered with a orca charity or organization, and they created this bracelet. I am so excited that this is part of my brand. I will continue to fight to donate to charity, because that's literally what I want my brand to be based around. So you will definitely be seeing more of this in the months coming up. Next thing that I got, or that I will be showing you, is these spray bottles. I actually made this today. This is going to be part of my new collection. I know what I'm going to be calling this collection, but I won't reveal it just yet. And it comes in 2 shades, but this is the spray bottle. It is 80 milliliters, I think. I don't know how many ounces that is, and you guys don't know the trouble that I went through trying to find this. I searched high and low for a spray bottle, because spray bottles are now being sold out everywhere because of the pandemic. Everybody wants to make their own hand sanitizer at home. So I was literally researching day and night as to where I found spray bottles, but I found that Amazon had a lot. They just didn't have like the dimensions or the volume, I guess, of spray bottle that I wanted. I think it's 3.4 or 4 ounces, but if you guys want, just type in on Amazon 80 milliliter spray bottle and these will pop out. Some of them are not available for Prime. Yeah, you guys will probably have to wait a little bit of time to get yours, but if you guys have been searching for them, then check on Amazon. The next thing that I got are these thank you cards, and I actually ran out of my thank you cards, and I think that it's so important for me to send a thank you card to every single person who purchased at least 1 product from my brand. So I had to stock up on those, and I already started using them. This is what they look like, and let me tell you, they feel so luxurious. Like they don't bend easily, which is a good sign. And if you guys are looking for these, then just type in wedding thank you cards on Amazon and they will surely pop up. That's not where I got mine, but the third thing that I picked up was this vegetable glycerin, which looks like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so this product gave me so much trouble to find. I feel like everything here is giving me so much trouble, but I ordered this once, and when it came to me, I swear to God, it came smashed. This is how it came to me. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, this is unacceptable. So I reached out to the company that I got it from, and I got my refund, thank God. But the seal is broken, the cap is smashed, and I just did not want to give this type of product to my customers, so I definitely ordered another one and I used it today. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah. And this one, it's just going straight in the trash because there's nothing I can do with this. I was just keeping it to show you guys that this is unacceptable, and if this ever happens to you guys, then contact the company and get your money back. The fourth thing that I'll be showing you is this satin piece of fabric. This is a satin piece of fabric. I originally purchased this years ago, like 3 years ago, and I never got around to using it. I wanted to use it as a YouTube backdrop because look at the background that I've been using for the past couple of years, but I never got around to using it or putting it up on my ceiling, so it's just been laying doing nothing. This color represents my brands pink, purple, and white, so I really wanted to use this in order to take product pictures. I can dress this up however I want to and just snap away because I have a ring light, I have my products. Pictures will come out professional in my opinion. So if you guys want a cheaper alternative to professional photos, then help yourself and go to a fabric store. You guys will literally not regret it, honestly. A piece of satin fabric will literally do you so much justice. I took some today. If you guys go on beautybyprincess.com, I uploaded some. My lashes and crystal clear are all taken with this satin piece of fabric background, and they came out phenomenal. Yes, I had to edit it a bit, but all photographers edit their photos. So I also got these petals in order to dress up the piece of fabric, and might I say it came out so good. I am so proud of the setup that I got when taking product pictures for my products. I got these ombre ones. They're ombre pink and red, and these are white ones. And honestly, I spread them out and they look so cute. They each come with 600 pieces. Some of the pieces aren't inside because I have them somewhere else just in case I want to take more product photos. I didn't want to put them back inside. The next thing that I got is something that I've been running out, and it's paper bags. But I honestly think that this is too big for people that are only buying one product. I didn't think it through because these are my old bags. This is an order for someone who's going to pick up their order soon but just hasn't gotten around to doing it. And look at the bags side by side, so I definitely should have ordered a smaller one, but these are gonna have to do for now. I love that it goes with my theme, pink and purple. They're just such beautiful colors. And the last couple of things that I'll be talking about are scents. I'm just trying to make sure I'm showing you guys everything because I feel like I'm missing a couple. Anyways, the last couple of things that I will be showing you guys are flavors from Get Suckered. I absolutely love Get Suckered, and if you guys want to save a little bit of money on that website, then use the code SPOT10 if you guys want 10% off your purchase. I will be putting the discount code down below. So the first shade I picked up was Mango, and these are the 10 milliliter bottle. The second one is Cream Soda because I'm almost running out of it. This is what I use in Crystal Clear and Opal. The third one that I picked up was Passion Fruit because Mango and Passion Fruit are going to be part of my summer collection. I'm extremely proud of my summer collection. You guys just wait for it. And the last two that I picked up was Clear Vanilla and French Toast, but French Toast was free. They were doing a promotion and I absolutely love the smell of this. I smelled all of them already, but this one I think is a new favorite. It smells so warm and it reminds me of like Christmas time. So yeah, if you guys want any flavorings for your glosses, even food, this is I think vegan and gluten free. If you guys are baking or love to bake, then definitely check these out as well. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope I showed you guys everything. I'm gonna be very mad if I didn't. But yeah, I will be dropping a new summer collection coming this Friday. I don't know the date. I don't even know the time that I'm going to be dropping it, but I will be sure to link everything down below, directly link everything. So yeah, if you guys like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up for me redoing this video like 4 different times because it was not easy. And subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.